process begun. Manufacturing modern commercial cigarettes. The journey begins with large bales of cured raw tobacco leaves arriving at the factory warehouse. From various global farms, workers carefully inspect these incoming massive bales to ensure they meet strict quality standards before entering the complex production line. Massive robotic arms lift the heavy bales onto a moving conveyor belt, initiating the very first stage of mechanical processing. The dry leaves pass through a specialized conditioning cylinder where steam gently adds essential moisture to prevent unwanted brittle breakage. This vital steaming process makes the tough tobacco leaves soft and fine, preparing them for the intense mechanical stripping ahead. Next, automated machines carefully separate the soft leaf lemon from the hard stems, ensuring only premium parts move forward today. The discarded stems are not wasted. They are heavily processed and eventually reintroduced to maximize overall efficiency and reduce waste. Different varieties of tobacco leaves are now precisely blended together in massive rotating drums to create a unique signature flavor. Master blenders constantly monitor this crucial mixing stage, ensuring the exact ratio of ingredients matches the specific brand recipe perfectly. Liquid flavorings and special casings are sprayed onto the tumbler leaves, enhancing the natural taste and aroma of the blend. The enriched tobacco blend rests in large storage silos for several hours, allowing the added flavors to deeply penetrate everything. Once perfectly conditioned, the leaves travel towards the heavy-duty cutting machines where sharp rotating blades await their arrival now. These powerful high-speed blades slice the broad leaves into extremely fine strands, creating the familiar shredded tobacco we recognize. The freshly shredded tobacco is still quite moist, so it must pass through a massive rotary dryer to remove water. Hot air circulates inside the enormous drying cylinder, bringing the moisture content down to the exact optimal level for rolling. After drying, the tobacco strands undergo another rigorous quality check where optical sensors detect and remove any remaining large stems. The giant vacuum system gently transports the pristine shredded tobacco across the factory floor toward the high-speed rolling machines. In another busy section of the facility, the crucial cigarette filters are being manufactured from raw cellulose acetate fibers. This synthetic material arrives in tightly compressed bales, looking very much like dense white cotton waiting to be carefully stretched. Specialized machines pull and stretch the compressed fibers into a continuous fluffy band, preparing them for the chemical plasticizer application. A fine mist of liquid plasticizer is applied to the stretched fibers, helping them bind together into a firm structure. The treated fibers are tightly compressed into a long continuous cylindrical shape and wrapped in porous plug wrap paper immediately. Fast, rotating blades slice this endless filter rod into shorter segments, which are then collected into large working trays quickly. These pre-cut filter rods are now ready to be joined with the processed tobacco in the main assembly area. We now enter the heart of the factory, where the incredible high-speed cigarette-making machines operate at maximum capacity. The shredded tobacco is pulled upward by a strong vacuum onto a narrow continuous belt, forming a uniform tobacco stream. This perfectly shaped tobacco stream is continuously laid down onto a fast-moving strip of specialized white cigarette wrapping paper. The paper quickly folds around the tobacco stream, and a precise wheel applies a thin line of adhesive glue instantly. A heated sealing iron presses against the glued seal, instantly drying the adhesive and securing the long continuous tobacco rod. A flying circular knife slices the endless tobacco rod into individual pieces, each measuring exactly the length of 2 cigarettes. These double-length tobacco rods are transferred to a complex rotating drum system, where the final assembly magic finally happens. A sharp blade cleanly cuts the double-length rod perfectly in half, creating a small gap between the 2 sections. A double-length filter plug is precisely inserted into the empty space between the 2 separated tobacco rods right away. A small patch of tipping paper, coated with strong adhesive, is wrapped tightly around the filter and the adjacent tobacco. This crucial tipping paper firmly joins the filter and tobacco sections together, creating a solid double cigarette move very quickly. Another precise laser blade slices straight through the middle of the double filter, finally separating them into 2 individual cigarettes. The sheer speed of this mechanical process is absolutely staggering, producing up to 20,000 finished cigarettes every single minute. Despite this incredible production velocity, Strict quality control measures are continuously applied to every single cigarette that leaves the machine. Advanced optical sensors scan the passing cigarettes, checking for any visual defects like torn paper or improperly attached tipping paper. Sophisticated microwave sensors constantly measure the exact density and internal moisture level of the hidden tobacco inside the paper. 2. High-speed mechanical testing stations apply a tiny burst of compressed air to check the ventilation holes on the filter, any cigarette that fails. These rigorous automated tests is instantly rejected and blown off the production line by compressed air. The perfectly formed cigarettes continue their rapid journey along elevated conveyor belts, heading straight towards the busy packaging department now. Massive automated buffers temporarily store the finished cigarettes, ensuring a steady and uninterrupted supply reaches the demanding packaging machines constantly. The packaging process begins by grouping the cigarettes into precise bundles, typically containing exactly 20 individual pieces for each pack. A thin layer of protective silver foil is rapidly folded around the bundle. Cigarettes to preserve their freshness and aroma. The foil wrap bundle is then pushed into a flat cardboard blank, which is quickly folded into a familiar box. Fast-moving mechanical arm apply hot melt adhesive to the cardboard flap, sealing the bottom and sides of the pack. A specialized machine carefully applies the required government tax stamp across the top closure of every newly formed cigarette pack. The sealed packs travel through wrapping station where a thin layer of clear plastic film is tightly applied around. Small heater plates shrink the plastic film tightly against the cardboard box, creating a completely airtight and tamper-evident seal. A tiny colored tear tape is embedded within the plastic film, allowing consumers to easily open the package later on. The individually wrapped packs are accumulated into groups of 10 and pushed into a larger cardboard sleeve called a carton. The filled cartons are also wrapped in clear protective plastic film, adding another layer of security for the long transport. Conveyor belts carry the finished cartons towards the end of the line, where massive robotic palletizers await their arrival eagerly. Heavy-duty robotic arms pick up dozens of cartons at once, stacking them neatly inside large corrugated master shipping boxes. These heavy master boxes are sealed with strong industrial tape and clearly labeled with important tracking barcodes and product information. Automated guided vehicles silently transport the loaded pallets across the vast factory floor toward the final finished goods storage warehouse. Inside the massive warehouse, powering automated trains retrieve the pallets and place them onto extremely high multi-level storage racks. The entire inventory system is managed by a sophisticated central computer, ensuring perfect rotation and tracking of every single batch. When a shipping order arrives, the automated cranes swiftly retrieve the exact required pallets and deliver them to the office. Forklifts load the pallets onto waiting transport trucks, ready to distribute the finished products to retail locations around the country. The incredible efficiency of this modern factory ensures that millions of cigarettes are produced and shipped every single day flawlessly. Every step of this complex manufacturing journey is carefully monitored by dedicated engineers, sitting inside a high-tech control room. Multiple computer screens display real-time data from hundreds of sensors, allowing the operators to instantly detect mechanical issues. Routine maintenance is constantly performed on the fast-moving machines to prevent unexpected breakdowns and keep the production line flowing. Highly trained technicians meticulously clean the delicate cutting blades and replace worn-out components during scheduled daily factory downtime periods. The factory also places a strong emphasis on environmental responsibility, utilizing advanced filtration systems to capture harmful airborne tobacco dust. Waste materials generated during the manufacturing process are carefully collected and recycled wherever possible to minimize the overall ecological impact. Strict safety protocols protect thousands of workers who operate and maintain this incredibly complex industrial machinery every single day. From the initial arrival of raw tobacco leaves to the final shipment of sealed cartons, the entire process is mesmerizing. It represents a perfect synchronization of advanced mechanical engineering, sophisticated computer software, and highly skilled human oversight working in harmony. The speed, precision, and scale of modern cigarette manufacturing truly highlight the astonishing capabilities of contemporary industrial automation and design. Even a simple, everyday product requires an unimaginably complex infrastructure to produce consistently at such massive global commercial market volumes. The relentless pursuit of efficiency drives constant innovation within these factory walls, pushing the boundaries of what automated machines accomplish. We have witnessed the complete transformation of raw agricultural plants into perfectly uniform consumer goods ready for the global market. This journey through the production line reveals the hidden technical marvels that exist quietly behind closed industrial factory doors everywhere.